Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert a video file into a live photo. Let's start. Live Photos is an iPhone camera feature that brings movement in your photos to life. First, open App Store. Then search video to live. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. In the first step, choose Allow access to all photos. Then select video here. After that, choose your video. For example, let me choose this video. This application has a great feature. You have option to change your output format to GIF. Here, we can make our video faster or slower. Or we have option to trim our video. After editing your video, tap on Save. Tap on Save again. Great. Now with this great application, you can easily convert your video file into a GIF or live photo. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.